Welcome to Tuts Plus. I'm Jose Mata, and in this course we'll build a store application using Ruby on Rails. The exercise will revolve very much in depth around data model design. We'll be using Active Record as part of the Rails framework in order to build the pieces of information that will hold all of the logic behind shopping. This is an advanced course. It will involve some hard dependencies. So if you're still starting up in the Tuts Plus network, then I would advise you to check the Ruby Fundamentals course if you're getting started with Ruby, or the Writing Ruby on Rails course that's also available. That one is geared more towards beginners, so if you feel like you're one of them, well then go check that course instead. You can always jump back later, so feel free to do that. Building a shopping application revolves a lot of different concepts. I'll go over them briefly in the agenda. First and foremost, we're going to bootstrap the Rails application along with the necessary set of gems and configuration. We'll use loads of different dependencies in order to fulfill our goal. After creating the Rails project and installing all of the dependencies, we'll be able to focus on the core data model. The core data model matches the set of active record models that we'll use to hold all of the data that we're supposed to manipulate, such as products, orders, a cart for each different user, and the users per se. All of these will make up for the entire business logic. Everything else is just details, such as adding categories, search mechanisms, amongst many other features. After focusing on specifying the data model, we're going to shift our attention towards the shopping experience. We're going to create a mechanism that will allow regular users to browse through our application through the list of the entire products, choose them, and add them to the cart. After the user picks all of the items he wants to buy, we're going to allow it to set a new order so that the shop owner, which most likely will be yourself, can look at the order that the user submitted and arrange for the order to be delivered to him. That's the whole shopping experience. We're going to focus on the most essential part that regards the information system. After that, we're going to consider transactions, the part in our app where money gets transferred from one place to the other. Using a credit card, for example, we're going to focus on that. At the end of it all, we'll consider a minor feature, such as authorization. Administrators will be given full privilege over the entire application, whereas regular users will only be accessed the shopping experience, browse through the products, add those products into a cart, and fulfill the data to create a new order. And finally, we'll assess overall learning experience and review what we have done. I hope you're excited about the course. Let's get started right away by jumping to the next lesson. We'll bootstrap the Rails project.